What's up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So today I'm going to show you what is inside a lithium energy 9-volt battery. And so let's get started. Okay, so I pulled this wrapper off and you can see it looks like there's a bunch of watch batteries in there. I'm not 100% sure yet. It's got some kind of plastic covering it. But I just wanted to show you this before I got to the next part in. Alright, so they weren't watch batteries, they're these little mini cells. And so what happened was this battery had failed because one of these is leaking fluid. One of these ones with the black plastic on them. And so that being a 9-volt battery, so each one of these has like 3.5 volts or something like that. Oops. And so now I'm gonna tear one of these open, which I imagine this is gonna be on the inside just like any other like AA or something like that, to where it'll just have a wrap of aluminum with another metal in the sleeve, kinda. Yep, so it's got that little satchel or plastic wrap bag kind of thingy over this. And you can smell the hydroxide coming off of it right now. It's not too stinky, but it doesn't smell good, but it doesn't stink, but it doesn't smell good. God, it's hard to do with one hand. Alright, there you can see that black, that's the lithium that's oxidized. Alright, I gotta pause this. Correction, this black is not the lithium. The lithium is in this stuff, and that silver stuff there is the lithium. Alright, so here was the second cell I did. So I did the silver one and one of the black ones, and out of the two black ones I picked the heavier of the two. And all in all, not very much lithium in these at all. Like, this gray stuff here is lithium metal, but it's just so thin, it's hard to get off this plastic that it was just basically nothing there. And so the third cell I'm not even gonna screw with. I'm just gonna can it, or recycle it, I suppose. And so I guess I walk away with two important pieces of information from this. Is one, we get to see what's inside of a lithium 9-volt battery that's an energizer. And two, dead lithium batteries aren't really worth trying to get the lithium out of, because it's all used up. And so, but I mean, I at least have a source of free lithium batteries. And so if you want to know how that is, and how you could have your own source of free lithium batteries, 100% legal in all aspects, nothing shady, leave me a post in the comments, and once I get a bunch of comments about it, then I will tell you all how I do it, and how you can too. So anyways, till next time, y'all, have a good one.